about saving you money when you're going to purchase a home. Consider buying down the interest rate. Check out an interview that I did with a lender where he talks about how it can save you money. What is buying down the interest rate?
Buying down the rate is when you pay additional costs to get a lower monthly payment. There's what is known as a par interest rate. Now, par interest rate is what the current market rate is without paying any points. I'll give you an example. A par rate today is 7%. If you wanted to get a lower monthly payment, you could actually pay an additional cost, which is called points, to buy that interest rate down to a lower rate. Now, 1 point is going to be 1% of the loan amount of your house. Let's say that you have a house or loan that is $750,000. If you wanted to pay 1% in points, that's going to give you a figure of $7,500. So you take the loan amount of $750,000, multiply that times 1%, and that's where you get the cost of $7,500. So that cost is going to buy the interest rate down from 7% down to say 6.5%, which is roughly $88,000 over the life of the loan.
So it really saves you when you're being strategic and thinking about the future and not just presently.
Correct. Typically, your rule of thumb, if you are looking at buying the interest rate down with points, the best way to make sure that it's going to give you a net tangible benefit is if you recoup the cost to buy the points down within 48 months. $750,000 paying 1 point to get it down to 6.5%, you would recoup that $7,500 cost within 32 months. So that means that, yeah, it definitely makes sense. You would just take the cost, the $7,500, divide that by the $245 a month savings, and that's where you're going to get the 32-month threshold.
We hope that during that 32 months that the housing prices go up, so your equity could go up, which would be an added perk. And even if the market went down, over the life of you owning the property, it's going to ebb and flow, and you should still make out better in the end, having that lower interest rate. I hope that you like that information. Follow us for more. If you'd like a list of my local preferred lenders, I'm at lender list below, and I'll send that right to you.